Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm Lena and I'm from the Healthcare Landscape Group. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my D3, which is solution measurements. So this is the D3 week 92, and in this video, I'm going to be solving the two main problems that Mrs. Prout sent out for us to do this week. Now, the first problem I'll show you has two main parts, A and B. So let's start first with A. So this is the first problem. Concentration is milligram divided by milliliters, and there's this formula here: percentage times weight times divided by volume. So please, A, can you complete the statement? A 10% glucose solution has, a 10% glucose solution has 10 grams of solute for every milliliters of solution. Because think about it, 10 grams of solute for every 100 milliliters is 10 over 100, which is 10%. So that is my solution for problem A. Next, for problem B, please can you complete this statement as well? A doctor prescribed 25 milligrams of medication. The stock solution is 20 milligrams in how many milliliters? So my answer is 5 milliliters. Now, if you're asking what is the stock solution, think about it this way. You have an orange juice, let's say a cup of orange juice, a bottle of orange juice that is too sour, so it's not ready to drink yet. And we need some more solute, which in this case is water, to make it less sour. So we will need to pour it into a container. Here is the level of the orange juice. We need to pour in some of that water to make it less sour. So the original orange juice is the stock solution. So that is an explanation for the stock solution. Next, my next problem is dilution using the C1 times V1 equals C2 times V2 formula is used to calculate how to dilute a stock solution to desired lower concentration. So that is the formula for the function. That is the function of this formula. So what is C and V? Well, C is the initial concentration and V is the initial volume. So C1 is the initial concentration for the first time. So the starting initial concentration. This is also the starting initial volume. And C2 is the ending initial concentration, and the V2 is the ending volume. So here, Mrs. Pratt sent out for us, please show here how you can prepare 1 liter or 100 milliliters of 5% solution from 5% stock solution. Now, I have C1, which is 5%, because based on this statement here, I can infer that C1 is 5%, C2 is also 5%, and V2, which is the ending desired volume, is 100 milliliters. And I need to find the V1. Well, here I have written out how to find V1. We just take C2 times V2, in this case, divided by C1. Now, C2 is 5% times 100 milliliters here, divided by C1, which is 5%. And as you can see, we have these two numbers that are alike. We can cross that out, and we're left with 100 milliliters. So V1 is 100 milliliters. So I think there's a problem this is a trick question, and it is not really a problem. There's not really a problem to answer. So I wrote out the statement that the calculation confirms that we need 1,000 milliliters or 1 liter of the 5% stock solution to make 1,000 milliliters of a 5% solution. No dilution is necessary because the starting and ending concentrations are identical. If you can see, the starting initial concentration is 1,000 milliliters or 1 liter, and the ending initial concentration is also 1,000 milliliters. So I think this is kind of a trick question, or there's some kind of error to this problem too, or if I'm just doing it wrong, please let me know. Anyway, that is the end of my D3. If you have any other questions or any other answers to solve these two problems, please let me know, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye!